Well, here we go. Today's the day. We've made our lamp. I've got it rigged up on a bit of, I think it come from the pound shop, bit of washing line. Lovely job. I wedged the doors in, a couple of doors with a split peg, and that works pretty well. So what I've done is I've cut the cloth already, and I've laid it out. So I just thought I'd do that first before I get into wetting it out. But I just thought I'd show you how to do it. So we've got it all sorted out, all cut out, all cut out rather, all ready to fit. Now you fold it over this way, halfway, and then we're going to do the other side with our resin, and then we're going to start doing like that. So lay that side down, lift this one up, paint the board, pop, pop, pop. But anyway, it's going to be a problem for me to reach the camera, so I'm just going to go for it, and here we go. Because I can't pause it. So I've got a cheap one of these, again, real cheap, and it cost me 75p or something. Right. So I need one of them, more cheap things. So here's our resin. Now I mixed this yesterday. And obviously because there's no sunlight coming in or any UV, we are in fact good to go. So we're going to pour that in there like that. Nice. Right. Not too bad. Sure, now what we do, put a layer on. Now I'm not going exceptionally heavy because we've just got a layer of tissue paper on here. So I want to soak it, but I don't want to go bonkers. Again, I don't know anyone that's done this, so it's all experimental. Might end up having to chip it all off after all. I hope not, because so far it's been pretty good. I've quite enjoyed doing it. There is surf today, it's a good swell, but there's just a little bit too much wind. Bit of a pain that. Needless to say, get into them edges, Nipper. Get into them edges. Right. Just prop that on something because I've forgotten to get something to prop it up on. That's going to cause problems. So I'm going to lower this side over carefully, because even though you trim it to be just perfect, it just never is. So see, that's starting to take the glass quite nicely. May even work yet. You never know. It's not the sort of thing you can talk about. It needs some music really. What's on here? No rubbish. I'll turn this up while I do this. Okay. Must be the fumes getting to me. Okay, we're 3 floors up in a block of flats. You're not even allowed to have a pet in here. And look what I'm doing. Oh dear. Oh yeah. You're liking that? Okay. With our vat of resin, let's get this sucker done. So first of all we're going to resin down on there. The good thing is about this UV activated resin is that it only goes off when you give it UV. So you haven't got a time limit. So you can get it right. Yep, you can actually get it right. Instead of just rushing it and hoping for the best before it goes off. Right. You know what? This is actually going to work. How astonishing is that? Right, I'm going to put this down, come over it and turn the camera off while I just do some more of this. I just know. Right, I'll spare you. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, right, I've done half of it. I've managed to get under. Oh, look at that, I just touched on my shirt. I was going to say, I've managed to get under without getting any on myself. I've just got to get some on myself, so of course on this side. Now, this is for cleaning windows, this, when I'm cleaning windows, but this is just what you need. Now this surfboard is level, so it's naturally going to run off the edge, so get it going this way. Good. Okay. Bit fiddly. Just keep on what you're doing. All will be good. But I can't turn the camera off, can I? Typical. Now what you can't see is I've got plastic freezer bags in my feet, which is not perversion. It is in fact a pretty good way of not walking resin across the carpet, which never goes down well, ever. I haven't been to a country yet where that goes down well. Okay. I'm sort of getting there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this squeegee thingy in a bin liner, black bin liner. Right, it's going to stop yet. Okay, right, I've done it. Definitely worth wearing plastic bags on your feet because it got all over the place, but I managed to get them off. So what I'm going to do now, I've got our system all down here, all ready to go. So let's plug and go, watch it go. Boom. Right, there is our UV system going. So I'm going to leave this for a while and just let that cook off. But it didn't take long last time. Like literally put the kettle on. I don't know, before the kettle had finished, it had gone off. So I'll catch you in a bit. Right, one thing I've noticed is the end where we've got the 360 nanometer LED has dried much faster than the end where we've got the, well, nearer 400 nanometers. So I know they're a bit more expensive, but I would get them more towards the 360, 375 and not 400. It'd just be quicker. I mean, it is really fast after no time. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, it's already started to go off. Yeah, I'm really impressed. And this has worked. It hasn't filled up the board with resin. It's created a lovely skin. It's held the polyester resin off. It's wetted out the cloth of tree. I'm going to go ahead and bash the next one on in a minute because it just goes off just like that. So anyway, I'm going to switch you off now and come back in a bit. Okay, right, we're about 10 minutes down the road, and what I have done is move this around a little bit. It is hot. I will put a handle on this so that you can, but it works, but the stuff with the lowest wavelength works better. But so you know, I've been wearing these in here, not these, which wouldn't be good. So while you've got your UV light on, wear your sunglasses. Right, so I'm just going to stop you a sec and then crack on. Right, that's better. We can see what we've done now. Well, that's just astonishing. Look at that. We've got a surfboard that works. It's just a proper surfboard. Wow. I knew it was going to work, but tissue paper, homemade glue. Who would have thought, eh? Brilliant. So, what we're going to do now is, well, I've just put some 6-ounce glass on here, so I'm going to put another layer of 6 ounce on it, and then I'm going to mix up a coat of resin which has got styrene in it, which you call a hot coat. It's got wax styrene in it, so it'll stop it, because this is, when you do it without styrene, it's just a bit sort of sticky. It's got a tackiness to it, which is great. Can you hear that? No. Right, here we go. Let's go into the break. Oh. Kitchen knife. Right. Now, because this went off quick, the smell is really low. I've opened the windows, it's a windy day. But I guarantee you couldn't smell this out in the hall. So that's a total win. That's not a win though, I've just got to put resin on my fingers. Right. So what we're going to do, literally he says, let's go from that's Andy Harry. Okay. Right, switch you off. I'm just going to trim this up and then we'll get to it. Okay, right, I'm halfway through. This is my second 6-ounce coat, and as you can see, it's just going on a dream. So what I'm doing, I poured some on, but I'm just brushing this. But I'm not going too mad because I don't want to twist the cloth up and mess it all up. So it's going to gradually soak in, but there's a natural tack to the resin that we put on already because there isn't any styrene in it. So it only goes shiny and all that and hard once you put styrene in it. So we've got this nice low tack thing going on. So this is nice to do, apart from it's stinking. But I'll just sort of do this little bit. As you can see, the cloth has completely disappeared. Everything is coming through, snot, all sorts. It's all coming through, but it doesn't matter. As you can see, just nice and relaxed. So I'm really amazed how this has come out. And I'm amazed no one's done it before. I mean, we've all chucked surfboards away, they've been knackered. But by doing this, you can save it. And not only that, with the tissue paper, you can get close to the colour of your board. Especially if it's an old 70s dinger. And, I mean, even if it's white, there's white tissue paper you can use. Just stipple in this corner here. It's important that you get it worked into the corners because that's where you're going to get a leak. For sure. So a lot of attention into this inside edge. This is where we scrape the foam off that we poured in because it would have messed off. Well, I'll do pretty well. I started off with a litre of resin. I must have a third still left. I'm just going to switch you off, come back to you. Anyway, looking good, isn't it? Right, that's that done, that's the second one. So I'm just going to put our UV light on again. So on with the bins. USB plug, action stations. Here we go. Right. This is so cool. Now this rail does get very hot, so be careful if you go to grab it. I mean, I'm going to put a hand line out or something. But, that's just surpassed all expectations. You can see all the mistakes under the UV as well. Excellent history, love it. Right, back in a bit. Okay, well, apart from just treading on a plug in my nice plastic bag shoes, which really hurt, I just thought I'd show you how I trim this stuff up. If you put your UV light on for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes, just enough to get it to start to go. Alright, so it's not, so it's sort of cardboardy. Then you can take your blade, right, and running along the edge of your board, you can make a cut. You can slide it along, and you can in fact cut it. It's not very easy, but it's a lot easier than sanding it down. So I thought I'd try and show you a bit. Here you go. So as you work your way around, peel the paper off, might be easier. We're going to mask up again anyway for our hot coat. Alright, that's close. It's a bit sticky at the moment. Come on, go. There we go. Right, so it just makes life a lot easier. But you can't do this really if you've just got your regular resin. It's just not the same. You've got so much more control over things with this UV stuff. It really is the bees. Anyway, right. I'll switch you off, I'll come back. Okay, well I've trimmed all the excess off. As you can see, it's pretty good. She's good. All I've got to do now is tidy up a bit and then we drop a hot coat on it, but it's pretty much gone off. Gonna give it a little bit more though. So here goes. Again, need these for these. Okay. Right, I'll leave that for another, oh I don't know, 20 minutes, come back to the hot coat. Okay, I've put some white sheeting over the top of it and that seems to work pretty well. You can see it's created quite a nice little tent in there. So I'm just going to let that cook for a bit longer and I'll come back.